everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a 5-minute makeup challenge, and the reason that this is a challenge video is because I'm not just going to be doing here's my everyday routine that only takes me 5 minutes. This is literally going to be a video of me attempting, keyword attempting, to do a full face of makeup in 5 minutes. Yes, the world's greatest challenge is what I will be attempting today. So, basically what I'm going to be doing is, everything I would be doing in a tutorial, but I'm just going to be hauling ass and I'm going to be doing it hopefully in 5 minutes. So we'll see how far I can get. I'm going to have my timer on my phone because that's the only real way I think I can do this. So yeah, that's how this is going to go. And I'm going to do my basic, start with brows, go into eyeshadow, all that nonsense. And yeah, so I'm going to zoom you guys in and then we will get started. Okay, so you guys are all zoomed in and I am going to start this video. I'm seriously like so terrified right now. I'm like so not ready for this. Okay, game face, let's go. Alright, so timer is officially starting now. Okay, so this is terrifying. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing, obviously, you guys know the drill, going in with eyebrows. I'm literally going to be doing like the most basic ass, like draw a line up here, line down there, fill in like super freaking quickly. Brows are going to be taking a serious hit today, y'all. Just a heads up, I'm literally doing like hardly any filling in. I don't know why I'm taking so long with this. Oh my god, I literally cannot be fiddling around with my eyebrows. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. If any of you have ever done this video, how have you done this video? I'm literally sweating. Oh my gosh, dying. Okay, so I'm not gonna set my brows until I do all my other shit. So gonna go in with concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. Going to just prime the lids. Oh my god, this is literally, I don't know how people do this. Okay, I'm not going to set my primer because I don't have time for that. So I'm going to, didn't get out my, oh god, I totally just fucked myself. Okay, I'm going in with the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, going in on a fluffy brush, transition shade, sweep it over the crease. It's gonna be the shittiest eyeshadow ever. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all, I have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. I'm going to be doing mascara. I'm not even going to try to attempt doing eyelashes. There's no way in hell that I'm going to even try to attempt that. Okay, I'm only using one crease shade and then I'm literally just going in with a liquid eyeshadow. This is Kylie's liquid eyeshadow. This is the bronze one. I'm just going to be putting this all over my lid. It's going to be sloppy as hell. Hella sloppy. Oh my gosh. Ugh, this is literally impossible. That's about as good as that's gonna get. Okay, primer. Primer spray. Okay, Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. NYX Total Control Vanilla shade, because otherwise everything would be hella dark. I'm probably gonna come out looking like a freaking ghost, but whatever. Not like I can do much about it right now. This is literally horrifying. Oh my god, I look like a freaking ghost. No! Okay, well, yeah. This is all about to come right the fuck off. Oh my god. Well, we have discovered that Ashley cannot do a full face of makeup in 5 minutes. That is quite literally impossible. Like, literally impossible. As you can tell, I'm zooming you guys in a little bit more so you can see the mess that is my face right now. So, oh my god. Eyeshadow is butchered. Eyebrows actually look kind of decent. Foundation, obviously, like, right up here. Oh god, I can't. I gotta blend that shit out. Ugh, so bad. Oh my gosh, y'all. I didn't even get to concealer. I didn't get to bronzer. I didn't get to nothing. But you know what? Being able to do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of like 10 things in 5 minutes? That's not half bad. I'm gonna give myself some credit. I don't know why I keep letting this out. I'm gonna take it off literally right after I'm done with this video. Oh my lord, that was, I don't know how people do this, dude. That is like dead ass impossible. I'm gonna zoom you guys out. Okay, well, as you guys can see, that was my 5-minute makeup challenge. It's challenge video for a reason. That was literally impossible. Oh my god. So, let me know what you guys thought of this video. Let me know if you guys want me to do an actual tutorial of just makeup that takes you 5 minutes to do. It's not gonna be a full face likely, it's just gonna be like my everyday makeup tutorial, so let me know if you guys want me to film that. So, yeah, I'm gonna go through the list of products that I was planning on using in this video, just so you guys know what I'm using. You guys saw that I used the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, which now has foundation on it because I spilled some on my little desk. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I've been using this just for when I really want to get shit done quick, as you can tell. And then I went in with the Nicole Concilio Smashbox collaboration. This is her primer water. That actually saved me a shit ton of time, not gonna lie. And then I mixed the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation in light neutral and the foundation for NYX in vanilla, as you guys saw, because I am really freaking white and I need to mix my foundations. So yeah, and then I was going to go in with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Concealer like I usually do, didn't get to that. I was gonna set my face with the Laura Mercier powder, didn't get to that. I was going to contour my face with the Tarteist Pro Glow Contour Palette, didn't get to that. Ooh, shit. I was going to do some blush with the Cheekathon Parade palette that I usually use from Benefit. Obviously didn't get anywhere close to that. I was going to go in with the Amrezy highlighter. You guys know the drill. I didn't get to literally anything else. I didn't even think about what lipstick I would use. I was probably just going to use a nude Kylie lipstick because that's like all I have in front of me right now. But yeah, so that's this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was interesting to say the least. Yeah. So, I'm going to film my next video literally right after this. This is just going to be the my current favorite makeup products, because I did a poll comparing this video to that one, and this one beat that one out by a long shot because I know that was another one that I put in my previous poll. So yeah, I'm gonna do that one next because I know people just like to know what I use. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Please like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I'm really trying to grow my platform right now, so it would mean a whole lot to me if you guys could follow me on my Instagram. It's at ash_slay_makeup. And yeah, so let me know what you guys thought of this video down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!